Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me today. Today we're going to be getting into my Wantable style edit. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks, too many of them. This is Willie. Loki's the white puppy dog. The beagle is Dexter. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so Wantable is a styling service. They've been sending more items, but it sounds like they're swapping up their discount model. It used to be if you kept 5 or more, 20% off, you got 7 items. But now they're allowing you to get up to 9 items. Dexter doesn't like my camera where it is, so he's just going to keep moving it all over the darn place. So the new structure is more like a reward program. The more you spend, the more money you get in credits. I think that works out much better for people who typically only keep 2 or 3 items. Maybe not as good for people who keep 5, 6 or more, but we shall see. I'm going to give it a try and check it out. We'll see what happens. I think right now there's mixed reviews on it, but there's birthday rewards, there's other rewards, there's like an entire program they have around it, which I'm still trying to understand. There are discounts, so that's the good news. You do get a bag for anything you don't love and don't want to keep, and then you get this a little pamphlet that gives you all the information. This is just your typical monthly style edit. If you sign up for one of the themed edits, so I used to just get themed edits, but now it seems that they will enroll you automatically back into your style edit or your active edit, depending on which theme you did. So just keep that in mind. I don't really have an issue with it. But sometimes if I remember, I might push it out and I'll do a themed box instead. They have lots of themed boxes. They have a style edit, which is your everyday, vacation, workwear, weekend. They have the active edit, which is athleisure, active wear, workout wear. And then they have the sleep and body, which is all things intimates, undies, bras, panties, jammies, sleep leisure. And there's theme boxes in each of those. They also have a men's edit for any of the men in your life. My stylist is Jordan. She is awesome. So let's see how this one goes. They have a stream. I highly recommend using the stream. You can request or decline items that get your stylist to better know your style as well. You can tell fall is coming. The boxes are heavier. Here's what's in my bundle. And of course, they personalize your sticker. I think that's a really nice touch. I love it. All right, so first up, what do we have? We have the Eden Stripe Tank by Thread and Supply. Little stretchy fall color vibe, right? We have another tank here. This one is the Fontella Stripe Tank by Weekend LA. Okay. Then we have the Artemis Vintage High-Rise Slim Straight Jean in Olive. So Artemis is a new brand I haven't seen on their site before. So this is an interesting look. Check that out. Okay. Then we have a Bobeau sweater. Black and cream. We have another pair of Artemis denim. We'll see what my stylist says, if she says anything about these. These are the modern curvy. It's in a dark wash. They're heavy. Oh, check out that front, huh? That's interesting. So I guess these are a button fly on one side there. All right, those are interesting. Then we have a jacket by Thread and Supply. Looks like a jean jacket, but it's very soft, like feels very worn in. And then last is a pair of denim by Hidden. These are the Ella high-rise cropped wide leg, wide straight. Those are cute. All right, so we have some fun outfits to try. And it says, great to have you back for another edit. I love using your feedback to pick fall transition styles. It'll work perfectly as the weather cools. Your request for the vintage hidden denim was a joy to fulfill these. So I must have asked for, and yes, this is the only requested item in there. And it looks like I only have 7 this time. So I only have 7 items. So these were, yeah, so she was happy to fulfill these relaxed straight jeans. They're super versatile for the season. I also noticed you like the olive slim straight. They're bound to be your new go-to. Pair the brown thread and supply tank with the green Artemis vintage jeans for a chic, earthy look, perfect for late summer, and throw in the gray thread and supply chugger jacket over your favorite tank or dress for cooler evenings. Can't wait to hear what you think. Let's do this. Let's see what works. First outfit, Dexter seems to really enjoy, don't you? Okay, all right, good boy, good boy. Okay, so I have on the jeans with the funky zip or button ply. So the button's on this side. This one is faux. So that's interesting. Has a nice wider leg. They're longer. Not sure about them. What do you guys think about these? I love that they're funky and different. But I'm not sure if I like that. So I'll have to watch the playback and see, and can't wait to hear what your feedback is. Other than this funky front, I think that they're pretty interesting with the wider leg, a little bit of a flare out. They're longer, so I would have to wear higher heels with them, but fun. And now the puffers are going to start to misbehave. There you go. All right, so how about this sweater? Great for the cooler weather. It's cool out right now, actually, so not bad. Did a front tuck, but you wouldn't have to. Here's what it looks like out. All right, so for these, textured striped sweater in light oatmeal by Bobeau, $69. Then for these ultra high-rise Sailor Palazzo jeans in dark wash by Artemis Vintage, $99. Next look. Now I have on the Artemis jeans in the green. I have on the tank, I think by Thread and Supply, as well as this little jacket. My stylist, I think, had paired these all together. Let's start with the jacket. The jacket is nice. It's a nice thinner layer, no stretch. There's zero stretch in this, but it's a little loose fitting. It's longer, hitting right at the hip. The tank is super cute, just a regular straight tank with stretch. A fun color for fall. And then the jeans. These fit really, really nice. They're a really nice length for me. The color I'm finding fascinating. I think these will look really great with black. I'm loving all the kind of that black along the edge and along the trim. It actually might be navy actually. So navy or black might look really nice with these. The browns do as well. The little fringy bottom. They're hitting me right at my ankle. I have a 28-inch inseam. I'm 5'5". So overall, I think this is a cute outfit. So the Jackie jacket in Forest by Thread and Supply, $99. The Eden straight tank in brown taupe, I'm wearing an extra small, $41. And the high-rise slim straight jeans in olive, size 26, my normal size, $95. And we are down to the last outfit. Final outfit, these fun hidden denim, which I'm in love with. I am wearing a 25, so I'm thinking about trying the next size up, which is my normal size, 26. But I really, really like these. The length is nice, perfect as we go into fall with the fun cuff. Would be so cute with mules, with sandals, or with booties. So I really like these. They have some nice stretch. They feel amazing on. Yeah, I really like them. Pair it back to this little tank. This is on sale. It's a black and white stripe. Simple, easy, not bad at all. Pair your favorite jacket over top of it. You're set. But I do really like these jeans. So cute. All right, Dexter, I see you got something there. You're going to destroy paper, I see. So the Fontella striped tank in blank ink, so this is black and white. I'm wearing a size small, $41.25 on sale from $55. The Ella Cup wide straight leg jean in vintage wash, and like I said, I'm wearing a 25, $94. My total for everything, $538. And then I still have the Keep 5 Plus discount on for this one. So 20% off. Everything would be $107.65, taking it down to $430.60. Plus, I have some cashback credits, I believe, for the themed ones. So with all of that and my styling fee coming off, I would get everything for $325. So in this case, I would say the deal works out. But the fact that they still have the 20% off on my regular boxes leads me to believe that you do have choices here. So if you maybe you're grandfathered in and not, you might be able to grab that. So keep that in mind. If you're new, I'm guessing they're going to want you to go to this new discount model, and I do think that's going to work really good for people, as I said. And I don't know that I have 5 in this one. I don't think that I do. So I actually think the discount model would work better in my favor here. But let's talk through it. What do you think the keepers are? I thought the price points weren't too bad in this one. I don't know that I need this striped top. Plus, I think I would need an extra small. It's like a little, wanted to slip right off my chest. What do you think, Dexter? You must be involved all the time, huh? Must be involved all the time. Huh. You can say hi to everybody. It's okay. Yes, let them see your pretty face, not your crazy self. But you can see it's kind of wanting to fall off, so I'm thinking it's a no. The hidden denim, yes, I absolutely want them. I'm hoping they have the 26. I think I'd just feel better in it. This tank is okay, but I don't know that I need it by Thread and Supply. I'm thinking it's a no for this little jacket. It's not bad. If you need one, I think grab it because the price point is good. But I think I don't need it and have better. These jeans I thought were super interesting. So I'm thinking about these. I think they're cute. This sweater, no, it's just not me. And these are very interesting, but I'm not sure that I would grab for them. The funky front is kind of cool, but I just don't think I'd grab for them. They were a little long, so I'm thinking that's a no. So I might have, I think that's just 2 items then, right? Yeah, I think I only have 2 items in this one, which will be interesting. Because it's, yeah, since I was kind of hoping I had the discount model, I would go for maybe 3. But since I don't, I think I'm just going to go with what I like, get my styling fee off of these jeans and potentially those green ones and call it a day. Wasn't a bad fix, but some of the pieces just didn't really call out to me. Let me know what you think. As always, I'll list all of these items down below in case you would like to request any of them in your next edit, and I'll put all my information for Wantable down below in case you'd like to give this service a try. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.